Hey everybody, so I got a quick paint haul to do from Walmart, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so these two cans I picked up from Walmart. I had picked up one other can like this, and I realized it was a matte. It had a matte looking paint on the cap. I was at a different Walmart. I ended up going to Rittenhouse and they had these, so I picked up two of these. These are Rustoleum Professional High Performance Enamel, 15-minute fast dry, any angle spray, tough enough for industrial applications. You can actually use these on like heavy machinery, heavy equipment. But I picked these up for the Ford, which I actually probably will have to pick up another one or two of these. I realized after I was priming I probably didn't get enough of these, to be honest. But just a quick little haul. I do know that the primer, specifically Rustoleum Professional, the primer I got, it's amazing primer. I actually have some right here, but it looks like this. This stuff is amazing. It is fast drying, but I let it cure for 24 hours, and I've actually let it cure for about 2 or 3 days. I'll get to painting it as soon as I feel comfortable that it's dry, because as soon as it gets dark here, it gets really cold. But you know, in Arizona, a lot of people think it doesn't get cold here, but it's been somewhere in the range of the 40s and 30s, somewhere there, at between 1 and 4 in the morning. But it's just a quick little video, just a quick little haul. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.